Welcome to the second video in this tutorial series. How to start your family history. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, and click the notification button to see more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments what tutorials and how-to videos you would like to see created in the near future. So let's get started. Lesson 1. Start with yourself. Starting with yourself, write down everything you know about your family. This can include, but not be limited to, yourself, your partner, your children, parents, siblings, aunts and uncles, cousins, and grandparents. The type of information you may wish to gather at this stage may include names, birth dates, marriage dates, death dates, occupations, home addresses, event locations, and family stories. Exactly how much information you wish to collect is entirely up to you. You may not utilize it all at the moment, but you may find it valuable in your future research endeavors, especially if you get stuck and need to use it to find an alternative way forward. Some quick tips. When collecting this information, start with the known, yourself, and work backwards. Stick with the facts and the information that you know to be true, and disregard rumor and hearsay. Remember that you are just starting out, and that you do not need to find every little piece of information at this point in time. We'll leave it here for now, and allow you to go away and gather as much information as you can. In the next video, we will cover how you go about visualizing the information you are about to put together, so you can obtain a full understanding of what information you have, what information you need to find, and what your path forward will be. So until then, happy hunting, and I will see you when you are ready to move on to the next video.